Hello, you. Welcome back to the Crypto SA channel. My name is Jose, and I'm here to talk to you about Bitcoin. And well, there's nothing uh, more than like the targets for the patterns that we've been showing for so long that we have to talk about. And those are one more time, one and again, these ones in here. And I think their zones are easy to set because this is the zone for a target zone here for these two patterns that we've been showing for so long now. And I do think those could be nice targets to take into consideration. Despite the lines, you see that the lines pass through these target zones as well. So I think lines are cool. And we have the horizontal levels. We're above all the main levels. These are bearish levels here for the weekly. We're above the weekly bearish level. We're also above the daily bearish level. And now we're in about to be above retested. We're testing actually the weekly bullish level. We've broken through the daily bullish level, which is very good, and we were talking about it the other day in the Portuguese version of the videos, okay? And we've like pretty much crossed above this monthly line, this monthly block as well in a very special way because it was a very strong breakout, as you can see, different from the others, and it's made us break through the last all-time high, the daily bullish region, and I do think these are regions worth watching at the moment. Um, and let's get some fibs here. Fibs are important. The all-time high and here. And now we've broken above this zone and we have the upper fib. If we want to see the upper fib, how are we behaving in this sense? Upper fib's gonna come from here to here. And what is that we have? We have the 883 as resistance, of course, 75.9, okay. Next one is right in the target zone, okay, the golden pocket in the target zone. So this is what I think is the next strong resistance zone for Bitcoin, the 8180, $81,000 range, okay. If if and after we flip above the $76,100 range on daily candles, if daily candles start to break above this zone and this resistance zone, it's fine, I think. And I do think that's what's going to happen. But I do think we might be prone to like a local correction, and that's our next conversation here, right? That's our next conversation when we bring in the 4 hourly. The 4 hourly is working as such. Let me have a look. So if we have a look at the 4 hourly, we're of course above the bearish zone of the 4 hourly. We're above the bullish zone as well. You see that the bearish 4 hourly is below the $69,200 range, which is something below here. And now we have this upper region here at the 73.1 and the 73.6. So the retest of this lower zone is expected if we want to push if you want one more push to the upside, and we can see like a local fib as well to see how to behave. And the local fib I think we should see is this one, this high, this low, and this high right here. And according to this fib, the local projection is from here to here, and that's how we are at the moment. We're reaching a local golden pocket zone here, and it's not only not uncommon but not unexpected. This lower golden pocket, and that's where the Bitcoin price is going to fight. Let's get this weekly resistance level out, and this is pretty much the first, this 0.65 live act. And of course we see divergencies because we have what, lower highs, right, and we have higher highs here on the 4 hourly. We have high highs, and this is the high here and this high in here. So this is a bearish divergence information. Can we come to the downside here and I mean you have like a slight correction to the $74,000 range here, this slight correction, and then come back up again to the $77,000 range, and then have a stronger correction? Yes. Can it just keep going all the way up? Yes, also. So, but I do think this is worth having a look at. So I do think we might come back down to the 73.6 thousand dollar range again for a retest. And I do think Bitcoin is prone to going to much higher targets uh, if if we can go above the $81,000 range. This is what I think is the strongest resistance for Bitcoin to take, and we don't know how long it's going to take to get there. Let's see next weeks and months to see what to expect. But in general, I do think this is an optimistic view for the short midterm for Bitcoin. Okay. That being said, I hope this was worth for you watching, and please like, subscribe, send it out to people that I think might like our content. And just to finish, Bitcoin from not August is from this last low, 7th of September up to now, from the 7th of September up to now, has made like a 43% run. So it's like 2 months, okay? So that you know. That being said, thank you, and I hope to see you next.